Just give me a moment, okay? Let me bring the rest. Okay. Just a moment, we just wait for 1 minute more. Okay, before our friends come, we can end 1 minute or 2 minutes, a couple of minutes later. We all don't mind. Just a moment, yeah. Okay, let's see when our friends coming. Not yet still. Okay, while we wait, I think we'll do some. Hold on, It's not Okay, so both of them got computer problem. So okay, I tell you what. While we wait for them, we will do some revision of um, different types of algebraic questions before I go to something new when they are here. Okay, this is actually from the discovery book. Okay, can you try question number B? B. Sorry, I just 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 moment, just a moment. Basic mastery, okay. 2B. Okay. You got the answer? Did you send? Send it, not yet. So can I just 1 second? Let me see basic mastery. What exercise is this? My good. Okay. Okay. All right. Akila, are you sick, Akila? No. Okay. Oh, there's someone here. Shafia. Shafia wants to join our thing. It's okay. Shafia, you can. Okay, we are doing the what is this? The revision from Sec 1 first before we move on to a little bit last part of statistics, and then yeah, next lesson we will proceed to whatever you are at. So we're doing question number B, yeah, question number B. Okay, and you should be able to do this. So this algebra thing is something we need to do consistently until you are experts at it, okay? Okay, we got the first answer. Let us see who it is. And congratulations, Akira. Okay, well done. What about the rest? Okay, the answer is 5. 5. So, Akila, you proceed to do D, please. D. Okay, while we wait for one other person before we. Can you all get 5? No? Inshira can get 5? You got your answer. What's your answer? Not yet, not yet. You look a little bit nervous today. What happened? It's as if you're. Says, are you okay? Okay, Inshira. Only Shafi looks cool, lah. Shafi. Type of dressing, lah. Maybe it's a type of dressing. We do not know. Need a clue. If you need a clue, remember you're supposed to get rid of the denominator. Those who are not so sure, you got a times 2 down here. When you times 2 over here, you must remember to also times 2 over here. So you just put a bracket and put a 2 here. This means times 2, right? And then you cancel. Now all of them are above water, as if the denominator represents water lah. Then you will get something like that, right? So your next line will be like that. If this first part you can't get, you won't be able to get it. Can you just send me in a chat what you are doing in school currently? Just tell me for what you started. You tell me what you wanna inform everyone also, no problem. But just need to know what are you doing in school. Let's see. Quadratic graphs. Wow, that's fast. Quadratic graphs. So how are you at quadratic graphs? Are you okay, Akila? Okay. Quadratic graphs. Which chapter is that? Yep, it's over, right? Congruence and similarity. Okay. You see, that's why you're all different. What about Inshira? Meet Modian. Inshira, you all went to the last chapter. So it's easier now. Easier. Okay, that's why. Yeah, okay. So the next one, congruence, similarity. How are you, Shafi? Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. So this is what's happening. Okay, Akila, quadratic graphs, is it in book A or book B? A, is it? Or A? A, right? Maybe we have gone through already quadratic. Oh, okay, quadratic graph. I think we have gone through. Okay, never mind. We can revisit quadratic graph if we need to. If you are stuck, tell me, okay? Okay, let us see. Okay, Shafi'i, you get 5. Okay, can you try question? Okay, Ryan is here now. Okay, we just do question D now. Ryan, if you can hear me, we do question D, okay? D. Ishira can get? Okay, Ishira, down here now. Do you get this first part, Ryan? That's what I wrote. Yes, huh? So you understand, right? So now you times minus 14 here. 2 times 6, 12. Plus 12n, right? Plus 12n. Then I prefer to bring the, I use a green that thing. See, I bring this, 9n I bring over lah. So I get 12n minus 9n. Then this one now, I bring over here, minus 14, bring over, come plus 14, 14 plus 1. So you get 15. 12 minus 9, 3n. N equals 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Are you okay, Ishi? All right, we are doing question number D, yeah, now? D. Okay, so can we try? Akila, you gotten the answer for D? Not yet. Okay. Ryan, which topic are you doing in school? Right. Are you doing like haven't yet? Okay. Are you doing mean, median, mode? No. No. Okay. Maybe your teacher has not really started on B book. Huh? Okay, now we try question D, yeah? Question D. So I'm just going to clear screen for a while, just a moment. And then after that, we're going to go back to statistics for a while to complete the whole thing. Yeah, I think it not being fair if I don't complete the whole thing. But Inshira, is statistics easy for you as your teacher go through? You know what she's talking about? Yes, huh? Okay. All right, let us see now. This is Shafi has gotten the answer. Okay, let us see whether it's correct. No, so sorry, Shafi. Answer is incorrect. Okay, for those of you who are confused, remember you have had exercise where they say express both of them as one fraction. You got to combine these two as one fraction first. Step one. So step one, combine them as one fraction. You can do like that. Akila, congratulations. Congratulations. Well done. Okay. Okay, I suggest you do something like this. Those of you who are confused, you do like that. Akila, since you are done, can you just do as an extra question? If you cannot finish, it's okay. Question number C. Okay, just very quickly. But the rest don't do C. We are just going to stop at Shafi is still the wrong answer. Okay, so you want to take a photo and show it to me, Shafi? I can check for you. The part of the free service that we offer. Ishi, are you okay? Ryan, are you all right, Ryan? Okay, Shafi, just a moment. Let me check you're working. So okay. Mistake down here, Shafi. Okay, let's see where your mistake is. You know that down here, you times by 5, right? Sometimes by 2. So down here, you have to times by 2, which you did not do. You must times by 2. So you must times 5. 5 times S. Let's do that. Okay, I'll run through explanation because we're taking. So let us go through step by step first. Okay. Now, as you can see over here, you have two different denominators. Let's change them to 10. In order to change to 10, you need to times, right? You need to times the bottom. So 2 times 5 get 10. You times the bottom by 10, you must times the top by 10. Sorry. You times the bottom by 5, you need to top the times by 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times S, 5S. But there's a minus here. There's a minus here. And down here, you would have to times by 2 to get 10. So you can put a bracket here, times by 2. 2 times 3. Okay. I would prefer to... Okay, never mind. We put the minus here first. Sorry, we put the minus here first. So 2 times 3, 6S. And then 2 times 1, 2. Now this is equals to 1. Now I'm going to combine them. When I combine them, remember that this part down here is actually a bracket, So down here you can copy the same, 25 minus 5S. Okay, then minus and plus is minus. Minus 6S. Minus and plus is minus. Minus how many? 2, is it? Equals to 1. Then once you reach this stage, then you can times 10 Shafi. So you can combine now here. You utang mam 5S. Utang dad 6S. So that means you utang 11S. 25 minus 2, 23. This is over 10 still. I've just simplified the top one here. Okay, I just simplified. Okay, Ryan is almost there, but it's not the same. Okay, let us see. So now you times by 10 to get rid of the 10. But remember, you must times down here, which I think you did. Oh, sorry, there's a minus 1. There's a minus 1 here. Minus. So there's minus 1 here. Sorry, I forgot to write the minus. So down here now it disappears. You get 23 minus 11S equals to negative 10. I like to bring this over down here so it becomes plus positive 11S. Bring this to the other side, becomes positive 10. 33 equals to 11S. S equals to 3 lah. 33 divided by 11, you get 3. Okay. If you are confused, please tell me. All right. Inshira, okay? Ryan, okay? Shafi, okay? Akila, you got the answer for the next one? If don't have, I just tell you what the answer is. If you can't get it later, you're doing it now. Okay, we're going to move on. We're going to move on. But the answer for 2C is 13. If you can get great, cannot, you show me later. All right, I'm now going to share and complete this next thing here. Down here, which is your, I just want to run through the 3. This is the chapter I'm supposed to have done first, actually. So let us go through one by one. If we have time, we will go through the rest. Okay. Okay. Can we try A first? Remember, 1 dot means 1 pen. 1 dot means 1 pen. Okay, 1 dot means 1 student. This 1 student, 2 students, 3 students got 1 pen. How many students got 2 pens? But they want to know the number of students only. The number of students, sorry. Can I maybe make it bigger for you? Okay, are we okay? I can write it down for you here if you want. You just double check. Okay, let us see. But the first answers have come in. Let's see. Well done, Ishira. Oh, there's another one coming in. Well done, Ryan. What about the rest? Well done, Shafi. Akila, you okay? I'm just going to write down. Down here is 3 students, 4 students, 6 students, 5 students, 4 students, 1 student, and another one out here. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 4, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24 students. Okay, well done. Now they ask you for outlier or outlier. I think outlier, you call it outlier, I think. Okay, what is an outlier? Okay, you is the one the student that is different from all the rest. What is the value of the one that is different from all the rest? Very easy. There's one number or one value that's different from all the rest. So the answer is down here. By looking at the graph, you can see, this one down here, you can see, all the rest are all down here. Let's say you're shooting a rifle, pam, 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 or you get all your shots down here. This is, let's say, your rifle practice, all around here. And then one shot is the shot that is away from all the rest. This one is the one. This is called an outlier. Now, what is an outlier? Is the one that is different from all the rest. So that means 3 persons got one pen, 2 got 4, 3, sorry, what am I saying? 3 students got 1 pen, 4 students got 2 pens, 6 students got 3 pens, then 5 students got 4 pens, and 5 students got 4 students got 5 pens. But 1 student got 10 pens, you know what I mean? That is totally, maybe he collect pens. He might be collecting pens. So this one is different from all the rest. So it's an outlier, okay? You try the next one. Find the number of students who have an odd number of pens. Okay, yeah, this is very easy. Odd number of pens in their pencil case. Odd number 1, 3, 5, 9, whatever ending with 1, 3, 5, 9, 7. So, notice it's very easy to score. Statistics, once you know the basics, easy to score. Well done, Ichi. Akila, check again. You must, these are all the odd numbers, These are all the odd numbers. How many persons are having the odd numbers? What's the frequency? So you must add them all up, Ryan. Add them all up. But but I think you are not adding it right. Okay. So you don't. Okay. So how to add? Very simple. They ask you for number of students. 3 students got 1 pen. So odd is 1, right? 6 students got 3 pens. And 4 students got 5 pens. These are all the odd numbers. Down here there's nothing. Down here there's nothing. So take 3 plus 6 plus 4. 13. Finish. Okay, because these are odd numbers. Again, they're asking for odd number of pens in the pencil case. Okay, so we move on now. Notice that it's relatively easy. Now down here. Push up. Push ups. Push up. Find the number of boys in class A. Very simple. I'm going to make it big now. Number of boys in class A. Okay, we have 2 answers now. Okay, Is it 21 or 24? Let us see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Right, 24. You got to count the dots carefully. Now, write down the number of boys who did more than 10 push-ups. More than 10 push-ups. More than 10 push-ups. It is easy. Yeah, very easy. More than 10. I don't include 10, please. Okay, let us see. Well done, Inshi, Akila, Ryan, well done. Shafi, can do? Yes, well done. So very simple. You know what to do. You cut it down here. This is more than that, so you know what to do. Write down that. Okay, we'll find the difference between the maximum and minimum number of push-ups completed. Man, what's the maximum number of push-ups? What's the minimum number of push-ups? They want to know the difference. What a question. What a question. That means what's the maximum number? What's the minimum number? You just minus. That's what they're telling you. Find the difference with maximum. ABC lah, ABC, ABC, ABC. Come on, ABC. Well done, Shafi. They're not asking for the number of people. What's the maximum number of push-ups? What's the minimum number of push-ups? Find the difference. Okay, so don't be afraid of statistics. It's quite maximum number of push-ups. Come on, maximum number is down here lah. This is maximum kan? This number of push-ups what? Good, Akila. Okay, well done. Difference okay. Down here, this is 18. How do we 18? We can minus 1, minus, so 18 is maximum. Minimum is 1. 18 minus 1 lah. 18 minus 1, 17. Easy, yeah? Easy, yeah? Okay, we move on. Okay. So, dot, you think these are called dot diagrams? You all are okay, dot diagrams? Easy, yeah? We move on to, actually, on your own, you must learn how to put dots. Let's see. Table of values of the number of pairs of genes. So, for example, it's size 1. There's 1. So, you put 1 down here. Example. Then size 2, you got 1, 2, 3. You put 3 dots. Okay, this one you do when your teacher goes through. You don't need to do this, okay? You just count. For example, then number 3, there's 1, 2, 3. Again, 3 dots up here. If they ask you to make a dot diagram. Number 4, there's only 1, right? So 1 dot. But it's a very good exercise for you to fully understand. Okay, this is now the reverse, but we're not going to do that because you can't really, we can't do this because you don't have the paper. Okay. I'm just going to run through very, very quickly, and then I'm going to get back to the algebra. Okay, let us see now. Okay, can you try this? Again, more. I don't have more. We have the first one coming in. They say percentage of workers, no, Kila? You are giving the number of workers. So let's see. Okay, well done, Mr. Shafi. What about B and? So just be careful. Actually, you know what to do. Ichira, okay, well done. Very simple. The formula is very, very simple. Always will be like, oh, saying it. Unified percentage always is like that. Always put 1 here. What you want to find, you put here. What is it want to find? Percentage of workers having an hourly wage of more than 8. How many of them? More than $8. 3, 4, 5. So you put 5% here. Now, this one between the two must be a relationship. 66. Not true. Not true. Okay. Your 5 is correct now. So okay. So I hope you all know this. Can I just get your attention on percentage? This one is always what you want to find. You put it here. So in this case, you are putting 5% because these 5% got more than $8. Now, the next thing is the most important thing for you to know is a relationship. Your direct proportion. Your direct proportion. Your relationship between what? Between percentage and number. In this case, percentage and the number of people. So how many people are there? 12. So you have 12 people. This makes 100%. Can you see? You have percentage, the relationship with the number of people. You got to write it here. But how to write? You look at what you have written here. If this is number, below must be number. So below is 12. Now here put 100. Okay, so you will get your answer, which is 41.7% or something like that. So I repeat again, in percentage you want to find, there's only 4 things you need to fill in. You put 1 on here. This one is what you want to find. What you want to find, you want to write here. How do you know what to find? Look at the question. They say, how many percent of the workers receive an hourly wage of more than 8? So you count more than 8 or there's 5%. This is the point that is related to what you want to find. So you put 5 here, and then there needs to be a relationship. These two is a relationship. Percentage and in this case, number of people. Sometimes can be percentage and money. It's always a relationship. It's either you write percentage here or write percentage here. Either one. How to know? If down here is percent, below must write percent. Then down here write the number. Okay, it's that simple. Maybe I will have to go through this with you another time. Okay, just to test you. Okay. So can you find now B now? B now. So the answer for A is 41.7. Okay. Okay, B. Well done, Inshi. So you notice in primary 6, primary school maths, you have difficulty, it's gonna reappear like a ghost to menghantuimu. Okay. So now this is now okay. Well done, Inshira. Well done. A little bit tedious, but you can do this. Okay, well done, Akila. Sum of hourly wages of the 12 workers. So you need to find out now. One worker works 6 hours. Sorry, one worker. Okay, this is hourly wage of 6. So you can count now. Every hour that is worked by all 12 of them, what is the amount? So this is $6, this is how many dollars, and so on and so forth. Okay, we can write it down here. 12 on here. 12 times 1, 10 times 1, 9 times 3, 2 times 8, 7 times 4, 28, 6 times 1, 6. Add all of them, you should get 99. Okay, am I correct, Shira? You add all of them, right? So you get $99 if you add all of them. The last one, what's the average hourly wage? So take 99, your total is 99 right down here. Divide by 12 lah. Okay, and you get your answer. Okay, because you want an average hourly wage. So it's a different. If you are confident, you will take the risk. Okay, sometimes you have never seen the type of calculation they want. Like this one, sum of hourly wage is a little bit odd lah. We normally don't add all this, but this one they want to know. The factory wants to know. I got 12 workers. Every hour when all of them are working, how much am I paying them? I'm paying them $99. You know what I mean? So why do they need to know this? Sometimes during time of shortfall, they can say, okay, this week, maximum number of hours you can work is only 30 hours, not 40 hours. Because they know what, we can times 99 by 30 times 40. They can know how much they can spend. So there is a relationship to the real world. Remember that. Okay. Let me see. So down here, you add all this up, you get 99. You want an average hour that thing, hourly wage, you divide by 12. You get 8.25. Well done. Okay, we move on. Please remember, this is something that you can score 100%. Okay, we go to histograms. Okay, what are histograms? These are histograms. Okay, it looks like that. Frequency is given here on this side, and down here can be height, weight, whatever. Okay, so let's move down here. So we try the first one now. 40 boys. There's 40 boys in total, you know already. So when you add your frequency, it must add up to 40 lah. Okay, you try now. Wow, hold on. I'm reading. I'm reading still. I'm still trying to process. Okay. Let us see now. Okay. Answer according to the answer key is not correct. Let us see whether okay, we can enlarge this. We can enlarge this. They are actually asking you, what is this number down here? Okay, we do not know what this. It can go up, can down, go down. So you need to find out lah. Let us check. Okay, Shafi, are you sure? I'm now worried now. Okay, Shafi, okay, now you corrected the answer. So maybe some of you all are confused. So I'm going to write the frequency. Remember, the frequency is down here. What does frequency mean? This is the number of boys whose weight is from 40 to 50. How many is it? You look down here. This is 7. Oh, down here, right? 7 for you. Down here, how many? Down here is 18. Okay. Down here, we do not know. We want to find out. Down here, 7 also. Down here, 2. So you add together lah. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 18, 34. Now, how do we know this number? They tell you down here there's 40. 40 students. So 40 minus 34, you get 6 lah. I hope it's okay, Okay, okay. Everyone got the right answer now. Okay, sorry, I didn't see. Sorry, I did not see it. I thought that you guys are still struggling. Okay, here we go. Find the number of boys who weigh more than 40 kg but not more than 60 kg. What a question, such a simple question. Let's see. Well done, Inshira, very fast. More than 40, yeah, from here, less, not more than 60. So from here to here, how many? You get, well done, Shafi. So you check it out here, 7. Yes. Oh, yeah, 18. Just add together 25. And you know what? You know what? That's the end of the question now. That's the end of the question, just like that. Imagine you get a question like that for exam. Wow, shock, man. They just 18 plus 7 and you just find this. Alamak, this is not much of a challenge. So that's why you can succeed as this. You can get full marks. Okay, please. So here we go. Let's try now. Okay, no, this one is on a different page. This one we got to draw. Okay, this one we try. Histogram. Try here. Of 50 people. Their last purchase. I do not know what they mean by last purchase. The last item they bought. Okay, they went shopping, they bought many items. This is the last item that they bought. So now, easy. Okay, first one coming up. Neat. Mistake, Mr. Shafi. They asked for not the number of person, but the percentage. What? Open goal. Come on. Open goal. No goalkeeper some more. How come you miss a goal? Ryan was there while he played mid defense. Akila, you okay, Akila? You have an answer? Answer is yeah. Okay, I was expecting. All right, well done, Inshira. Well done. But Inshi is a different Inshi that I know. Right? Inshira, is maths easy or not now? So could you understand why you were struggling in primary school? Sometimes we don't understand, huh? It should be easy, is it? Shafi, well done. So that's where what I mean, both you, Shafi, you go and teach your younger siblings. Because maths is not supposed to be. I do not know why our community and Muslim community say maths too susah. Actually, it's one of the easiest subjects. You can score 100% for maths, but if in our primary school year we get stuck, that's where the problem begins. Actually, problem begins at primary 4 normally. But if you clear it, let's say primary 4 to 6 you struggle, but you clear it. Secondary school you find it's easy. But anyway, now the next one. We try the next one. You can do this. The histogram is represented as a pie chart. Ayo. Okay, we can do this, no problem. You all done pie chart before, sec 1? You understand what is a pie chart, right? Pie chart circle. Down here, we want to know the percentage. Cannot be. Okay, Ryan, cannot be. Okay, come. We do step by step. We find out how many persons are there here. This one is 13%, 12%. Okay, down here is 12. Down here, this is 3. So total number of adults who spend less than 40. This is the part less than 40 down here to here. They are 15%. Out of how many percent? Total down here, they told you 50 adults here. So 15 over 50, this is your fraction. Part over whole times 100. You will get 30%. Okay, 30% for this. Okay, we won't go through histogram pie chart. Not yet. I just want you to get used to histogram. Okay, so that your teacher goes through, you find chicken. That should be your feeling. Chicken. But don't be overconfident. Chicken is okay. Okay, let's see. Down here. In fact, when I hear this one, trial KM Run 2.4. I remembered my disgusting story. I can't forget. And you all, I'm sure, almost all the students I tell today also cannot forget. Ryan, do you remember that, Ryan? The story.
What story je?
Aziz, you cannot remember. Alamak. Ishira, you remember? Ishira, remember? Hey, you all cannot remember? Shafi'i, you remember that? Allahu Akbar. Okay lah, never mind lah. I thought I told you the story, right? The dunk story. No. Okay, I will tell you later lah. But it happened when I was your age lah. Okay, you do this one. I'll tell you shortly. Is something to me. Is something that is teach me a lesson. It really mold me to be what I am partly lah. To be more caring lah. Okay, my number of boys in the group. Very easy lah. Very easy. Come on, very easy. This number 5. The part that is difficult is what? It's actually just being detailed and precise. So I'm going to enlarge this because it's not fair to you all to do it. You do this first part. And once everyone finishes this first part, then we move on to the second part. Shafi'i, Inshira, well done. I will just, okay, we're going to check. We're going to check. Down here is 3. Down here is 4. Down here is 6. Down here is 8. Down here is 7. This one is same as 4. And then the next one is 3. So you add up. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. So you must get this calculation correct, okay? If you don't get it correct, your rest of questions is going to be gone. So this is 35. Total number is 35. Okay, we will move downwards. Here we go. Clear a test, the boys have to complete the run in at most 12 minutes. Find the number of boys who did not clear the trial. Oh my goodness. What type of question is this? I can't believe. Even Inshira can't believe. Inshira, can you believe? You must first understand the question. Okay. And they put down here, what is this? What is this sign here? Is it what difficult or what? It is impossible. This cannot be. It cannot be Sec 2 level by right. Who did not clear the trial, you know. So is okay, Ryan, Shafi, well done. Akila, you got to check. Akila, you give the opposite. Akila, you give the number of boys who cleared the trial. Cleared means pass the trial. Pass the trial. Inshira, how come this might be a girl thing? Okay, why I say girl thing? Inshira and Akila says 28. Shafi and Ryan says 7. And so, okay, so now let us see. We must understand clear down here means pass. Okay, maybe trial means the test, okay? Who did not pass. The longer you take, you at most you can take 12 minutes. So to pass, you must take from 12 to, this one is you pass. You clear. This one is you did not clear, did not clear. So they want not clear. So you have 4 down here, 3 down here. 4 plus 3, 7. That's your answer. Ishira, okay? Akila, okay? I do not know how can they put this type of question for, but this is statistics. So I do not want you to think it's tough. Okay? When I give you the next question, maybe I will tell you the story another day. It's actually a story that I thought I told you. Yeah, I told the three of you, right? I didn't tell her. Okay, I just tell you in 2 minutes lah. I was a class joker. I don't know whether you can mention me as a class joker. I used to yak. I make fun of everyone, you know, in the class. Class joker, you all have class joker in your class, right? Imagine lah me. And one day, I went for this technical lesson. You know technical lesson? You remember the story now? I went for technical lesson in another school. And then one day when we went there, we only can use the teacher's toilet. The teacher got so angry that morning. I was in the afternoon session, that afternoon. Remember the story? Still cannot remember. Okay. The teacher got so angry. So wanted to find out why. The teacher says, who used the toilet? I said, what is this teacher? Crazy. I said, who's the toilet? Then everyone whispering. And then I heard news. One of the boys, I came from Bartley Secondary, and all boys, at that time all boys. One of the boys flushed his underwear in the toilet bowl, you know. And the thing jam stuck lah. Now I cannot flush anymore. You better inside the tie, get stuck there. So I was a class joker. I took the opportunity. I went round to friend. I said, you did it, right? You disgusting boy. You're not wearing underwear now. I said all the bad things lah. That's the first person. The next person I went to, his name is Tunti, the Chunse. I give him even a nickname. So I said, Tunti, you're a disgusting boy. You shit in your pants. Okay? Your underwear now is stuck there. You're not wearing underwear now. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? His face turned red because he was the boy. And his friends were so, from Bali is okay. His friends look at me, you know, and was so angry with me, you know. And I said, hey, I'm sorry. And I really felt bad because I do not want to be in that position, right? Imagine, you got no underwear, the berak, the thing, your teacher get angry with you. You feel so embarrassed, right? So in the end, what happened? I thought nothing happened to it lah. I thought, okay. What's your dad's name, Ryan? Is it Imam Musbaha? No, is it? No. No, okay. Because what again?
Aril.
Okay, so it's not, because Imam Musbaha is his story. Just in case I insult Imam Musbaha, then you say Imam Musbaha is my dad. So what happened was, I thought nothing happened. No, I just asked Allah for forgiveness, and that's it. Allah wanted to teach me a lesson. You don't make fun of others. You want to crack joke, you want to be a joker, you joke, but you don't hurt others. So one day I went for the trial run. I had to go. There's so many students who wanted to join the cross country. What happened after that? We had to try. The best 10 will get chosen. That day I ate nasi lemak, you know. And I remember towards the end, my stomach started turning. At first, it was kentut as I'm reaching the end. Then the kencet, you know, the liquid came out. So I asked myself, do I stop now? I'm reaching the end, 100 meters from the end. I say, I better just complete it. I'm reaching the end one. By the time I reached the end, you know, there's one story called the pot that did not stop cooking. You know, have you heard? It's a cook, the pot started cooking the porridge, cannot stop. So the same thing happened to me. And my uniform is white, you know. The tie come really bad. So I asked myself, do I go to the toilet and clean myself? Immediately, Tunti's been a story, remember? 2 weeks, that was 2 weeks earlier now. I go there, people make fun of me. I will flush my underwear in the toilet, right? I said, I better go back home. Problem is, as I start walking, I cannot stop the stomach. By the time I reach the bus stop, which is about 100 meters or 50 meters away, I felt as if I was wearing a diaper full of dung. But I cannot see. Because I try to look back, is it brown? Can people smell? Do I take a bus? This is Bartley, you know, Paya Lebar there, near Paya Lebar lah. I have to go back to Toa. It's a 20-minute ride or 15-minute drive. So I sit down at the bus stop, I see, get up, all brown. I say, Ya Allah, I got to walk back home. And in my heart, I do, Ya Allah, please, I ask you for forgiveness. I promise you, I'm not going to make fun of anyone anymore. But all that time, and then one, in the olden days, the double bus that is not closed, no, you can stick your head out. Sekali a bus piece whizzed past me, a head stick out and call out my name, Shahid. It was Imam Musbaha, that's why I need to check. Imam Musbaha was quite a naughty boy. So he came down, he asked me, what are you doing walking? What do I tell him? I just showed him my bag. I lift up my shirt. He saw all brown. And all he did, his face was like, I said, Mati lah, this boy is very mischievous now. Tomorrow I'm going to be the butt of all jokes. Really. I prayed and prayed to Allah. And as I prayed, more and more come out. Until a point in time, gas came out. Now, no more tight, but it's really full. You can feel. I do not know whether you've ever had this experience. Your underwear is so tight, it's going to burst. And one cyclist was cycling past me, like that. Ya Allah. I had to walk past a very busy bus stop. And I walked at the bus bay. I walked straight. I didn't turn in, and I could see heads looking up. You know how embarrassing. I was 14 years old, your age. By the time I reached my home, I think it's about 45 to 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. By the time I reached the car park, the underwear cannot hold anymore. It's going to overflow. And I can feel it start to trickle. I started saying, I live on the 11th floor. Do I take the lift or do I take the stairs? I do not know about you, but I took the stairs because I do not want to be known as, tai boy lah, this one, by the neighbor. So I went up the stairs. By the time I reached the 9th floor, it started to trickle down my legs. And then on the corridor, and I reached my gate. I started shaking my gate. I said, Ma, open the gate. I said, why? What's wrong? I said, just open the gate. Just open the gate. And then I started running. I ran. It started dripping on the hall. And to make matters worse, by the time I reached the toilet bowl, I closed the door. What do you think happened? Somehow. Some students ask me, what did I do with the underwear? Of course, underwear I throw lah. Okay, takkan we go to wash the underwear like that. My mother, and she's witness, she had to wipe the tie right until a few levels down. Now that whole thing taught me don't make fun of others. But the next day I was so scared to go to school because I think you know how it feels like your age, right? You're very conscious when people make fun of you. Alamak, I don't know how to live, man. I should pray and pray to Allah. Ya Allah, please, Ya Allah, I promise you, I'm not gonna hurt other people. I promise you, I'm gonna think and rethink. I promise you, I'm gonna take care of people. The next day I went to school, nothing happened. I met Imam Musbahar. He didn't say anything. To me, that was a greatest miracle. And every time if I think of one doing bad to others, that story comes back to mind. But so the lesson is, don't think that Allah is not in your life. No, you think you can do things to others, bully your brothers and sisters, maybe. No, you do things to, he watches, he observes, he will teach you a lesson you will never forget. He's the best teacher. I never forget that. That happened when? 37 years ago. Can you imagine? Can you imagine how old I am? But anyway, we won't go to statistics of age, but you get it. The point is, be wary, be true to your heart, okay? People who take advantage of this, these people who molest others, they may think they can get away with it. They can never get away with it. Sometimes Allah allow it to happen, then you kena after that, you kena left, right. Like you see, I make fun of people who berak a little bit. I had to berak. I do not know how it feels now. It's one of the worst days of my life at that point in time. But now as I think about it, I don't mind writing the true dunk stories in Singapore. It's quite good. Okay, we try the next one. Okay, stem and leaf. Remember stem and leaf? So stem and leaf. Okay, so one student asked me, why we have this sort of a crazy diagram? Okay, there are many reasons lah. Okay, this actually you want to find median mean. Let's say you want to find median. It's easy for you, no? Okay, easy to find. You don't need to they already arrange everything for you from low to high. Yeah, go, please go. Okay, I hope you're not going because you're disgusted by that story. In fact, once I told some friends in Indonesia while we are having lunch, and they told me, "Can you stop it?" Okay, I should have been more careful. Okay, can we try now question number 1A and 1B? So remember don't think you can get away. But Allah also loves you. If He loves you, you do good things in secret, you will be amazed by the miracles that happen to you. And these are things you don't tell others lah. What miracles? You will get miracles. Trust me. But you do bad and he loves you, he will take care of you. He will really take care of you. If you want, my mother is out there, I can ask her to testify whether this is true or not. You want me to ask? What? Okay, later I'll ask my mom to testify. Is it true or not? And my mother, you know what she say? Why you keep telling people the story about you bear in your pants? Anyway, never mind, doesn't matter. There's some interesting stories I have. As I said, you'll get miracles. You'll get next time I'll tell you the story about my acting that thing. And it's a miracle actually to me. Small miracles. If you know Nabil, I don't know you watch Nabil, Rajalawa. Imagine I was very close to many of them, you know. So that one I'll tell you another time. Okay, but now we try this one, stem and leaf. Okay, so we remember now, if you have 3, 7, it means 37. So this one, let's say this one is 41, this one is 49, right? You take this and this. Okay, let us see. We have the first answer coming in already. Wow, very fast, huh? Let's see. Well done, Miss Akila. Okay, you try the next one. Right now, no. You see, this question B is as if they got no other question to ask. It's just to give you a question. But it's okay. It's such a Akila. You got it. Yes, Akila. Well done. Come on, this one you cannot get wrong. Believe in yourself, right? Believe in yourself. It's like open goal. You have a penalty kick without the goalkeeper. But trust me, even then people can miss. Yeah, if you watch, because the pressure sometimes is on. So be cool, be trust yourself. You are able to do it. Okay, Inshira, one done, 1A. What about the rest? No, each one of these stands for, cannot be Shafi. They didn't ask you for the total weight, no Shafi. You did 37 plus 38, you did a lot of work lah. You did a lot of work, Shafi. Each and every one here represents a cherry tomato. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The first answer, you just need to count how many are there here. Okay, we can count together down here. Because how do I know this is what? This is 37 gram, 38 gram, 38 gram, 39 gram. So down here, there's 5 cherry tomatoes. So 41, 41, 40. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know you did a lot of work. I know. I know you timed so many things. Okay, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 here. So there are 7 cherry tomatoes here. Their weights are 50, 50, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54. But they want to know how many cherry tomatoes? 7 plus 10 plus 5. 22 only. 22 only. What's the weight of the heaviest cherry tomato? You must be able to read this now. What's the heaviest? What is the lightest? Come on, you can do this. Heaviest and lightest. Come on. What's the lightest and heaviest? Ryan, you can do this, Ryan. Offer. This is considered a super sale in the test. 3 marks. Hey, Ryan, Inshira and Shafi, I never told you this story. I told, right?
Story.
This story, the duck story.
No.
Cannot be lah. Almost every class I teach, I tell. Maybe that time I do not know. Maybe we have no time. Something must have happened that I didn't tell. Okay, well done, Ryan. Finish, easy. Shafi, what's the lightest and heaviest? Inshira, what's the lightest and heaviest? Come on. Take a risk. Okay, Inshira now, give the answer. Okay, Inshira, yes. Shafi, okay. All right, everyone got it already, yeah? Okay, now, cherry tomatoes which are less than 42 grams are rejected. Find the number of rejected cherry tomatoes. Again, this is a ridiculous question. When I say ridiculous, what I mean? It's simple lah, simple. Come on. Less than 42 grams rejected. How many of them? How many of them? Offer. The durian. This question. Well done, Ishi. Come on. I feel like selling durian, no? Come on, okay, Shafia, well done. Shafi, well done. Ryan and Akila, come on. Less than 42 grams. Which one is it? Yes, less than 42 grams. You just mark lah. This is less, right? 37 gram, 38 gram, 39 gram, 41. Before these numbers lah, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. 7 rejected cherry tomatoes. See, what are the weight of the 7? One is 37 gram, one is 38 gram, one is 38 gram, one is 38 gram. Yeah, but don't write all the numbers. If you have written the numbers, they want to know how many rejected. Okay, it's like now you're giving the size of shoes lah. 37, 38, 38. Now I just want to know the number of shoes. So you are giving me now, give me the different sizes of shoes that are rejected. But just number only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, it's quite easy, okay? I'm very, very surprised still that I did not tell you guys. But it's a story that I will never forget. Although when I was walking back, it is actually beside Bidadari. Bidadari is now a new real estate place. They are building condominiums and all that. That place used to be cemetery where I walked past by. So remember, all these are the, you want to find number of volunteers, you add all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You add all that, the number of volunteers. Let us see. Okay, let us see. Well done, Akila Shafi'i. So for those of you still confused, if you're confused, I want to explain to you again. For those who are confused, these are the ages of the volunteers. What are the ages? One of them is 14 years old. Another one is 14 years old. Another one is 15 years old. Another one is 16 years old. Another one is 17 years old. Another one is 17 years old. Another one is 17 years old. Another one is 18 years old. Another one is 18 years old. Another one is 19 years old. Another one is 20 years old. These are the ages. So this one number here represents one person. One number, one person. So count the number or numbers and you get the number of volunteers. Don't include this part, just down here. Okay. Count the number of, yes. Okay, so all of you got 20, yeah? There are 20 volunteers. Well done. So find the number of volunteers above 25 years old. Above 25 years old. Come on. Offer. Okay, one person says, 2% says that, and let's see, Akila and Ishira. Okay, whether you are right. Where is it? Okay, well done. Your B, so far those who have submitted your B, all of you got B correct. Well done. That's 4. 4 volunteers above 25 years old. It's 27, 28, 37, 38. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Okay, any more to this? Let's see. Oh, got some more. Volunteers 18 years and below. Okay, I have to show you like that. Okay, and let me just okay, you'll try the next question. Can you see the next question? Okay, now I'm going to enlarge it. Can you see? They ask you to find the number of hours spent by the volunteers at the shelter. That's the difficult thing that you did, Shafi'i, just now. No, 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 no. That's not. Sorry, sorry. That's not. Sorry, sorry. You got to do something else now. You got to use your average formula. So how? Are you okay? Quite easy, right? But you must understand. Well done, Ryan. Congratulations. First one to come in. Congratulations. Yeah, yeah. Please. Akira, calculation error somewhere. Somewhere calculation error. There's a total of 20%. Your total, how many persons age 18 years and below? Do you have how many? And how many persons 18 above 18 years? Maybe that might. I do not know whether that's the thing. Shafi also same answer as Akira. Eh, sorry. You and Akira correct. Sorry. You and Akira. Ryan, the one who got to the toilet is wrong. I'm so sorry. I okay, Akira, Shafi, well done. Ryan, yeah, I gotta talk to him. Yeah. Okay, sorry, yeah. Can? Is she can or is she? Akira, do you watch the movie on Netflix called Pontianak? Pontianak, you watch not? Netflix. There's a Pontianak movie, no. The Singapore one. Ishira, you watch? No. Ishira can do this one. We count on the number of volunteers 18 years old and below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 7, 63. Then the balance must be 11 because the 20, right? Just now you said 20 now here. 11 times 10, 110. 110 plus 63, 173. Can I? All right, we move on to the next one. Like that, yeah. Okay, you try this one. Let us see whether you have right numbers. Well done, Inshira Shafi'i, for A. to do? We've got to check. Three persons here. 8 persons here. 11 persons here. 6 persons here. 3 persons here. You get it. You get it right. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 22. Yeah. So total is 31. Okay. So be careful because this is where they can get you. They're giving you free marks, but they are easy marks. I won't say free marks. Inshira, okay, well done. Your answer is correct for B. You can move on to C, Inshira. Well done. What do we call your answer after learning median, mode, and mean? Well done, Akila. Well done, Shafi'i. Inshira, what do you call C? What do they want you to find? Your answer is correct. What's the word? Median, mode, or mean?
Mode.
Mode, yes. C, they're asking you for mode. So now, okay, we try the next one. We just go through a percentage of boys jump lower than 160. Lower than 160 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 over what? 31, because there's total of 31 boys, right? Times stop. Times, yeah, yes, well done, right? So 35.5, well done. Percent, Well done, Akila. And the last one, what is the most common height achieved by the boys? So you look at which number appears most number of times. Don't think 99999, all is 9. No, no, no. This is 149, 149. This one is 159. Yes. So which one has the most number is this one out here. 166, 166, 166. 3 boys got this height. So that is the most common height. But it's not so common lah. This is the mode. What they're asking for is the mode, the highest frequency. Okay, Okay, I hope you're all right. So we move on now. Next one. Okay, we try. Yeah, this one. Zero doesn't mean zero people. This one means 10. This one means 20, 50. Careful, they're asking you for number of donations, means the number of donors lah. Not amount donated, amount donated this year. Let's see. Wow. 3, what about Inshira? 3 of the other 3 have the same answer. And the answer, it is what number is it? 6. Congratulations, Akila, Shafi, Ryan, Inshira. Number of donations? Inshi. Yeah, okay. I thought how you get 8, you give me a shock, no? Okay, 28, the answer is 28 for this one. Now the amount donated. Now you got to add all the amount donated. So it is not that this is difficult. It's just you got to be precise. You cannot make a small error. You add one number wrongly, dah habis lah. Shafi, too little lah, Shafi. How come you 50 je? This one student donated 50, no? Your total cannot be 50, right? So 501% donated to 50, cannot be $50. Okay, let's see whether you're okay. Akila, just a moment. Congratulations, Akila. Is it simple, Akila? Very simple, right? So, Sec 2 maths, maybe it's just a couple of topics that you need to, but you need to make sure, all of you need to make sure your foundation algebra is important, because Sec 3, Sec 4 is going to continue. Shafi, so sorry, it's not. You take 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. Or you can also do like that if you want to. Your own creative ways down here, okay. How much in total? Down here, $50. Oh, $50, okay. This one, 20 plus 20 plus 20, $60 lah. Can also. Then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So might be 100 lah. Because 10 persons donated $10 each one. 100. Then you add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is $10. 2 plus 2 plus 4, $10. $10. $10. 10, 20, 30, 40, $50 here. So if we say 240, let us add together and see how. 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 60, 260. Can see how I did it? Is it easier this way? Shafi, okay? Is she okay? Is she, you know how to do this, right? Is she? You okay? Is she? You look very, I don't know. Something is bothering you. What is bothering you? In the olden days, I will, no, not olden days, no such thing as olden days. Okay, so now we have another 5 minutes. Let us go through. Oh, there's some more. Okay, we move on to this one. This could be. Okay, make sure that everyone get it right. It's supposed to be easy, yeah? Hey, is it the same answer? It's the same one, is it? Hey, same one. Sorry, why did you tell me? sorry. Hey, you should have told me lah. You're just sorry. This is the same one. Please tell me lah. I realized I scanned the page twice. I think. Okay. Sorry. Question number, hold on. Oh, that's the last question. Okay, let us do something with this now. Okay, we more or less completed statistics. It should be roughly easy for you. Later on, we can go in much deeper lah. Now you got an overview, and it should be okay. Okay, so you try now. Question B now. No, I cannot see question B. Question B. Okay, leave your answer as a fraction, because you do it as a decimal, it might be a little bit. Your answer is a mixed number actually. If someone is missing, cousin is missing, Aisha. Cousin disappeared. Okay, in 1 minute's time, I'll go through, okay? But if you get answer, please send it over. Anyone. Inshi can do? Akila can do? Ryan can do? We try, yeah? We try. Okay. Well done. Well done, Inshira, but I do not know whether there's a minus there. I don't think there's a minus. Let me see. Yeah, I didn't get a minus. The answer key said there's no minus there. So yours has a minus. So can you spot your mistake? If not, you take a photo of your working, you send it to me. Yes, well done, Akila. Okay, I just run through. So yours doesn't have a minus, right, Akila? Okay, so now remember, do the inside first. Don't do the outside bracket. So down here, actually, you can also do this now. You can also do like that. First step, you want to do like that. Divide by -5. You can also divide by -5. 0 divided by -5 is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0, right? So now your negative 5 is gone. Huh? Can do like that? Can do that. See, I got rid of negative 5 already. Why? So now I'm going to times it. 3c minus 12. 3 times 3 is 3c. 3 times 4, 12. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 7 plus 14. Minus times minus is plus. Plus 14c. So now 3c, 14c, 17c. Oh, mommy, $12. Oh, daddy, $16. You owe them more money, $28. Equals to 0. 17c is equals to 28. C equals to 28 divided by 17. And then you get 1 whole 11 over 17. Maybe Inshira, I think maybe you're worried about this minus down here. Right? This minus 5, you divide by minus 5 is no more minus 1. 0 divided by negative, 0 divided by 2, and 0 divided by minus 2, and 0 divided by 10, all the same thing. All is 0. 0 has no sign. Are you okay, Inshira? Okay, so we end here. Is it okay? All right. Okay, then take care of yourself. Assalamu